Scott Tanner once again coming live right here at Sunset Kia Mitsubishi in Auburn. And you know what? I have a young lady behind me, and her name is Tracy. Hi, Tracy. How are you?
Great, fabulous.
Fabulous, fabulous. So you came in today. You brought your family in. Your mom and dad are visiting from Ohio, Illinois, and you're going to be heading back there, aren't you?
Yes.
You guys are going to be driving, right?
No, we're gonna fly, but I'm gonna drive in this fantastic Kia car I got here with you.
You got a Kia car today?
Yes.
Is that like a Matchbox?
Yeah, it's nice.
It is. No, you got a 2017 Sedona. What'd you think about the experience here at the Sunset Auto family?
Fantastic. I work hard for my money, and I want people who work hard for me to get my money.
Perfect. Experience was good, smooth.
Fabulous.
Loved it. And you also said, hey, Scott, been hearing anybody talk about this gong. I want to be on the gong show. And you know what? There it is. So I'm going to count down to 3, and I want you to hit it loud. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! Was that fun? Was it the highlight of your day?
It's so a highlight of my day. I'm actually driving off the lot in my new car. It's my highlight of my day.
That's going to be your highlight of the day, and that's coming up in just a couple minutes.
Stickers are gonna work.
Yes!
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
You've been fun to work with.
Awesome.